Hello again, Stealth Coder Juju here, and welcome to your second Java tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over Eclipse and setting up your first project. So let's get started. Over to the left here, we'll display all the current projects you have created. And it's very useful, especially if you're working on a bunch of projects and want to keep them all organized. Over to the right here, there is a class outline, which will display things like particular variables and methods, but I'm not going to get too into that. And in the center here is where we'll edit our code. There isn't anything in there because we haven't created our project yet. So to do that, you can either go to File, New, or you can click on this drop down arrow here and select Java Project. From there, type in an appropriate project name. I'm going to call mine YouTube, and go ahead and click Finish. From there, make sure that you have YouTube selected, and go ahead and click the drop down arrow and select class. If you didn't select YouTube, you're going to have to select it in the browse area, because then it won't know which project you want to append it to. So as a name, you can call it main or test. I'm going to call mine tutorial. And down here, make sure you have public static void main checked off, and I'll explain why later. Go ahead and click Finish, and now it should look something similar to this. Go ahead and delete this first line. It does nothing. And so, if you didn't check off that box, this here won't appear. You can type it out yourself, but I'm kind of lazy. So basically what's going to happen is anything between this bracket and this bracket will execute. So to prove this, I'm going to print something simple to the console. And to do that, we type system.out.println and hello world. Good enough. And when we go ahead and click run up here, as you can see, it says hello world. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, go ahead and click like. If you want to see future videos like this from me, go ahead and click subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, go ahead and leave them down below. This was Stealth Coder Juju, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.